Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing QR codes for Thai driver's licenses. And this was something interesting. I didn't know that this was even in the works, but apparently it is. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled Pattaya Grapevine, A Forgotten Brit-Thai Connection. I urge those who are watching this video, a lot of information in there. Might want to go check that out. But quoting from one of the subcategories, scan that license, quoting directly, once you have a Thai driving license or a QR code on the back, download it onto your, once you have a Thai driving license with a QR code on the back, download it onto your smartphone. You can then show it legally to police or other government agencies. The big advantage is that you can leave the original plastic card in a safe place and avoid the risk of losing it. If you do need to replace a lost license, there's quite a bureaucracy awaiting you at the Land Transportation Department. Yeah, Land Transport Office, dealt with it myself. It's kind of like the DMV back in the States. Not my favorite place in the world to be. Right up there with the dentist's office, I would say, and maybe outside the office of an IRS auditor or something. Yeah, it's probably not my favorite place in the world to be. So, but I mean, it's something folks have to deal with that need, a driving license in Thailand. And I do have to say that this is an innovation that, well, on the one hand, I've always been a little bit ambivalent about all these QR codes and scanning people and doing all that good stuff. That has some creepy connotations, and you can get into the whole slippery slope argument, where that can lead. But this may be one of those limited circumstances where an otherwise a little bit creepy technology is being used to an end that is kind of a benefit. As noted in that article, you can put your Thai driving license at your house and you're safe or whatever, so you've just got it there, and then just use that QR code when you're running around town. And to my mind, might not even need a smartphone. Just print off the QR code, stick it on your dashboard or something. If a police officer stops you, they can just scan the thing and boom, that's me. And, I don't have to present the actual license itself, which I'll tell you, if you lose one of those here in Thailand, it is just, you kind of want to pull your hair out when you're trying to get it replaced. It's just not an overly fun experience. So, yeah, this kind of is one of those things, the underlying technology may have both positive and negative connotations, but overall, this might be a benefit.